everybody, I'm old, I'm Thai, live in the United States. Today the temperature at my house about 30 Fahrenheit, which is colder than 2-3 days ago that I could sit outside, but today I need to wear warm clothing again. This one I bought from Acme. Yes, Acme Acme supermarket. It's called like between 9 to 12. I don't remember the price, and give me warm. I will wear this one. I bought this one other day from TJ Maxx and it's shrink a little bit. Let's put this on and then do makeup together with me. Today I have a product to recommend, but I don't know where you can get it because I had half time to find it. It is serum vitamin E with collagen. It said Nature Solution. At first I got this, the first bottle I got from Burlington Coat Factory. The price less than 10. I don't remember exactly what was it. And after that, when I finished this bottle, I went back to Burlington Coat Factory, but I didn't see any. And then I looked on eBay, Amazon, nothing. And also I searched on the internet, try to get wherever that were selling this product, but I found nothing. And then later on I found one on eBay, this one, and I paid for like not sure, 12 maybe, including shipping, 12 or 15. I really like it, and if this bottle empty again, I don't know where I'm gonna get it. Maybe I need to find some other product that suit my skin. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Here, drop. You see how oily and moist. I like it this way because my face is very dry and also sensitive skin, but this one doesn't bothering me anything. They're gonna apply this but use less than the other day. And next one, sunscreen. And next one, Maybelline Matte Mousse. And then loose powder. Today I'm gonna apply the pink eyeshadow. What I have today, just one, also one Milani. เดี๋ยวจะเติมตรงขอบนิดนึงนะคะด้วยสีเขียวแล้วกันนะ And this is also as usual MAC eyeliner, but dry eyeliner I use for my brow, and then the angle brush. For the cheek today I use this one a little bit lighter than the other day. Curl my lash and then mascara. How do I look now? Good. And last one, lip wax. Today I'm gonna use this color, F1. Okay, this is my finished look. Do you like it? Today, look at my face doesn't have, how to say, like a little pale skin look, same as other day, which I add the CC cream, the Poland, the vitamin C cream, only tiny bit, not as much as last time. And that's it for my makeup today. I will not dry my hair, just let it dry by nature.